Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. In today's lesson, I will teach you some essential greetings that you can use to wish your friends and family a happy and prosperous New Year in Cantonese. Let's get started. So how do you say Happy New Year in Cantonese? We say 新年快樂. 新年快樂. 新年 means New Year. 快樂 means happy. 新年快樂, it means Happy New Year. Let's move on to another popular phrase we often used during the New Year. 恭喜發財. 恭喜發財. 恭喜 means congratulations. 發財 means to become wealthy. 恭喜發財 means wishing you prosperity and wealth. Next, we have a very important wish for everyone's well-being. We say 身體健康. 身體健康. 身體 means body. 健康 means healthy. 身體健康 means wishing you good health. Another common phrase we use to wish someone good health is 龍馬精神. 龍馬精神. 龍 means dragon. 馬 means horse. 精神 means spirit, vitality, or energy. Together, 龍馬精神 means may you have the spirit and vitality of a dragon and a horse, symbolizing strength and energy. Finally, if you want to say, may all your wishes come true, we say, 心想事成. 心想事成. 心 means heart. 想 means to wish or think or want. 事 means things or matters. 成 means to succeed or achieve. Together, 心想事成 means may all your wishes come true. If you're interested in learning Cantonese with me, simply click the link in the description box below and schedule your first lesson for free. During our first lesson, we'll discuss your learning goals and create a personalized lesson just for you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. 下次見!